In this video, we'll review sensors commonly included with your Guardian alarm system. Let's start with door and window sensors. Each sensor has two parts, the transmitter and the magnet. The transmitter is the larger piece, and the smaller piece is the magnet. These will be professionally installed by your technician onto your door or window. When the magnet and transmitter are aligned properly, the door or window will show as closed. The door and window sensors are armed when you place your system into stay or away. Your door and window sensors can also have a unique chime. A chime is a tone that will sound at your panel when your door or window is opened. These chimes are useful when your system is not armed. For example, if you have kids, these chimes can alert you when a door is opened. To set up a custom chime from your security panel, tap or slide down the top menu. Tap Settings. Tap Advanced Settings. Enter your master code. Tap Edit Chime. Tap the sensor you wish to set the chime on. Use the drop-down menu to choose the type of chime, and tap Save. Next, let's talk about motion sensors. These are typically placed in high-traffic areas of your home and are triggered by movement. When your system is placed in away mode and motion is detected without someone opening an entry door, the alarm will be set off. To learn more, visit guardianprotection.com.